What's up? My name is Caela, and my sign name is actually Caela. This is a sign for happy, so I was given this because I'm always happy. I don't know, I was given it when I was young. Anyway, we're going to be learning the alphabet today. So A, B, C, sorry, my pinky always gets a little weird, D, E, F, G, is this, and your thumb's pointing toward you, G, H, I, your thumb should be here, J, is you just draw it with a J, J, K, L, M, so your thumb is kind of pointing out, N, O, P is upside down K, Q is upside down G, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,